Hey guys, today this is gonna be another bus review of. Actually, this is gonna be a review of bus number 279 today. Today I'm reviewing 279, so 2002 Bluebird International 3800. This bus was sold after the 2009 Visions arrived back in 2008. By the end of the 2008 to 2009 school year. So yeah, anyways, let's just start. I don't want to talk about this thing, so let's start. I don't want to talk about 279 for this. So here's the front. Got the school bus logo, the windshield wipers, and the hood. 279 hazard lights, international logo. I'm not showing the side, I'm showing the back. Here's the back. School bus, emergency door, and tail lights. License plate, which I don't know where it is. Phone number, bus number. Focus, please. Thank you. Pause it if you want to read this. And the Bluebird logo. And the Bluebird emblem on the bumper. Here's the side. See, Bluebird streamer. I don't know what this is. Stop sign, 279. Blinker light, door, wheels, battery box, and the lettering. And and here's the other side. Got the door. I'm sorry I didn't cover this, but you got the wheels and the diesel and the fuel box. Lettering, streamer again, and the wheels. Some part of the bumper. And that thing and it. So that's it. Oh, one more thing. This bus was sold to Montauk Bus Service back in 2008. And this bus became Montauk Bus Service 516. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and peace out. I'll see you guys in the next bus review.